Welcome back everyone. We'll now continue our lecture from where we have stopped. So today we are going to study about the constitutional evolution of Nepal. So in this lecture we will discuss about the constitutional evolution from 2004, 2007, 2015, 2019 and 2047. We'll discuss these five. So the Government of Nepal Act 2004 promulgated by the Padma Samser around the end of the Rana rule of 14th March 2004 is the first constitution of Nepal. Either written or non-written form of constitutions can be formed prior to this. The constitutional evolutions of Nepal can be stated in as following. First one is the Constitution of Nepal Act 2004. This is the first constitution of Nepal proclaimed on 13th March 2004 BS from the Bisalnagar Palace. It was stated that it would become into the force of 1st Baisakh 2005 BS, but Padma Samser had gone to the India on the Fagun 18, 2004, and without returning Nepal, he had sent his resignations from there. As his successor Mohan Samsers was against giving any power to the people, this act could not come into the force. The Indian constitutional expert Sri Prakash, Dr. Ram Urga Singh and Raghunath Singh have been called into the draft this act, proclaimed to come into the force since 1st Baisakh 2005 BS from widespread reform in the country. This was the first constitution of Nepal. The act had six party, 68 articles and one schedule. The second was the interim government of Nepal Act 2007. The interim government of Nepal Act 2007 was proclaimed by the King Tirubhuvan on 7th Fagun 2007 after the end of the Rana rule. The law was provisioned the state policy, guidelines, principle, council of minister, financial procedure, principal court, Pradhan Nyaya, public service commission, elected commission, parliament assembly. This had a seven party, 74 articles and four schedules. This constitution, which came completely into the force from the Chaitra 29, 2007, had been amended for the six times. The third one is the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2015. The five-member of Constitution drafting the committee formed on 3rd Chaitra 2014 based under the chairmanship of Bhagwati Prasad Singh with the involvement of American constitution expert Sir Ivry Jennings prepared the draft in 10 months and submitted it to the King Mahendra. The other members of this commission were Hora Prasad Joshi, Ramraj Pant, Surya Prasad Upadhyay. This constitution was promulgated by the King Mahendra on 1st Fagun 2015. The Article 73 and 75 came into the effect immediately, whereas the remaining articles came into the effect from 2016 BS. Based on the same constitution, the first general elections of the Nepal began from 7th Fagun 2015 BS. This constitution has the provision for the 109-member House of Representatives, executive accountable for the House of Representatives, legislative, independent judiciary, and public service commission, account check and fundamental rights for the citizen. The constitution had 10 parts, 77 articles, and 3 schedules. Was terminated by the King Mahendra in 2019. The Constitution of Nepal 2019. The royal steps taken by the King Mahendra on 1st August 2017. The Constitution of 2015 was dismissed. King Mahendra took the suggestions from the Council of Ministers on draft of the Constitution submitted by the Constitution Drafting Committee formed on 26th Vaisakh 2019 under the chairmanship of Rishikesh Shah, along with the members of Shambhu Prasad Gawale, Prakash Bahadur Khatri, Angur Baba Joshi, Rambar Narayan Yadav and Kul Shekhar Samser as the member secretary and declared these constitutions on 2019 pause. First, governance system based on the public consensus, decentralizations and the party-less panchayat systems were its goal. The constitutions had provisioned fundamental rights and duties for the citizens, policies and directive principles of panchayat system, royal council, council of minister, public service commission, legislative and independent judiciary. The first amendment of this constitution was taken on the 14th March 2023 BS, the second was on 26th Mansi 2033 BS, and the third was on 1st Post 2037. The Constitution of Nepal 2019, which had 20 part, 97 articles, 6 schedules, existed till the People's Movement 2046. The Constitution of the Kingdom of the Nepal 2047 replaced the constitutions by 2047. The fifth one is the Constitution of the Kingdom of Nepal 2047. The party-less panchayat system crumbled down in Chaitra 26, 2046 as the result of People's Movement. This was followed by the formation of the 11-member interim council of ministers under the premiership of Krishna Prasad Bhattarai, the acting president of Nepali Congress on the 6th Baisakh 2047 BS. It was during the tenure of his council of ministers that the constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047 was promulgated on Friday 23 Kartik 47 on BS on the Nepali's fifth constitutions. After the fall of 30 years panchayat system through the historical People's Movement 2040, King Mahendra Constitution and declared the ninth member commission for the recommendation on the constitution reform. Under the chairmanship of the Justice of Supreme Court, Biswanath Upadhyay on 28th Baisakh 2048, and this was strongly opposed as per the suggestion of Prime Minister on just 1st 2047, and also taking into the consideration the advice of the Council of Ministers, the King reconstituted a nine-member commissions for the recommendation on the constitution reform within the 3 months under the chairmanship of Biswanath Upadhyay, the, the Justice of Supreme Court, on the J16 2047. The following people were the members of the commissions for the recommendation of the constitution: Biswanath Upadhyay, the chairman, Justice Supreme Court; Damanath Dungarna, the member, Nepali Congress; Mukunda Regmi, member, Nepali Congress; Madhav Kumar Nepal, member, and then CPM ML Left Front; Lakshman Aryal, member, Nepali Congress; Bharat Mohan Adhikari, member, the then CPN Marxist Left Front; Nirmal Lama, member, the then NCP Tantra Left Front; Pradhunanla Rajbandari in Nepal, law expert; Ramanand Prasad Simha, member, law expert; Surendra Upadhyay, member, secretary. With the constitution, monarchy, multi-party democracy and parliamentary system, sovereignty vested in the people, and as an independent and neutral judiciary system established as unchangeable. These constitutions had emphasized the protections of the fundamental rights and freedoms of the citizen. This constitution had 23 part, 133 articles, 3 schedule in it. The constitution had provisions, fundamental rights for the citizens, the guiding principles and the policies for the state, His Majesty Sri 5, Sri 5, Royal Council, Executives, Legislative, Judiciary, Commission for the Investigation of Abuse of Authority, Auditor General, uh, Public Service Commission, Selection Commission, Attorney General, etc. The fundamental features of this constitution are as follows. The first is the constitution accepted as the fundamental law of the country. Sovereignty vested in the Nepali people. People accept as the multi-ethnic, multilingual, democratic individual, Hindu, constitutional monarchical kingdom, provision for the fundamental rights of the citizen, clear provision for the directive principle and policies of the state, executive powers vested in His Majesty and the Council of Ministers. The right to the delivering justice vested in the court with the arrangement of the independent judiciary, clearing the provisions of the functions, duties, and rights of the constitutional bodies as the Royal Council, Public Service Commissions, Auditor General, Election Commission, Commission for the investigation of abuse of authorities, provision of political parties and requirement of 5% candidacy of women by political parties in the election and must be securing 3% of the total vote cast to be eligible for the recognized as a national party. The power to be declared the state emergency vested in the king. The provision of the Constitution Council and the National Security Council (etc). With the success of the People's Movement 2016, the Constitution becomes defunctionable. So we'll discuss about the interim Constitution 2063 in the next session. Thank you for listening the lecture. We will discuss the most interesting topic, the interim Constitution of Nepal 2063 in the next session. Thank you.